Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel again. In today's video, I will explain to you how to enable the right-click menu in Windows Terminal. Enabling the right-click menu makes copying, pasting, and accessing common actions much faster and more intuitive, especially if you prefer using the mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts. Okay, I'll show you the exact settings to change so right-click opens the menu inside Windows Terminal. Press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type WT in the Run window and click OK. WT is the command that launches Windows Terminal directly. In the Windows Terminal window, click the down arrow icon in the address bar next to the tabs. This will open the main menu where you can access Settings and Profiles. Select Settings. This will open the Windows Terminal Settings interface, where you can change the default settings and advanced options. In the Settings sidebar, click the Defaults tab. The Defaults area contains settings that apply to all profiles and the general behavior of the Windows Terminal window. On the other side, scroll down and under Additional Settings, click Advanced to view more detailed settings related to mouse, clipboard, and user interface behavior. Scroll down and enable the Display a Menu on right-click option. This enables the Windows Terminal window to display a context menu when you right-click within the Windows Terminal window. Then click the Save button. Close the Settings tab. From now on, right-clicking within the Windows Terminal window will open the right-click menu. This allows you to easily copy, paste, and use quick actions with your mouse, without having to remember keyboard shortcuts. This simple change can speed up daily tasks and make the command window more user-friendly for mouse-based users. If you liked this video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the bell icon to receive more tech information. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.